Okay, my lift would not go up. I put my motorcycle on it to start working because the weather's getting nice, and it wouldn't go up. I've had this for about 25 years. I bought it new. It's an handy lift. It's an airlift. And I have never had any trouble with it except for the hose breaking once, bursting. What a bang that was. But I took it apart. I unbolted the cylinder right here. And it's just like it's just a cylinder. And it has a piston in it with a seal around it. The piston's only about that thick. It looks like a lid to a jar, except it's made out of cast iron, and it has a seal all the way around the outside, and it was dry in the cylinder. And the piston went in and out pretty simple, pretty easy by hand. So I greased it with black molybdenum grease, and it seems to have helped. So now I'm going to stand it up and see if the operation was a success or the patient died. So give me a minute to stand the bike up. The stand up. Huh. Okay, I got her turned over. Let me put the air hose on. And see if she'll go up. She wouldn't move before. Oh, there we go. See if she holds pressure. Loud bang coming up. Whoops. That's my gas pedal there. Anyway, it lifted it. The problem really stuck me because I had the safety down, and I wanted to lower the lift, and I couldn't, because all the weight was on the safety, and it would have took two people, one to lift from each end to get this in the park position. Anyway, I just put some Moly EP grease on the piston seal, that kind of grease right there, and I'm happy. It's working. I did smear the inside of the piston with maybe 2 tablespoons of grease. Not a lot of grease, it's just where the grease was, all the way around the piston. The piston was about as big around. It was probably 4 or 5 inches across. All right, it's losing air slow, which it always did. But I don't care about that. I just wanted it to go up and down. I can, whenever I have a heavy bike, like my Venture on it, the safety will hold it, just so I can get the weight off to allow it to go down. That was my main concern. Anyway, now I can continue working What time did I start? I started at 2 o'clock. It's now 4:15. It took me 2 hours, 15 minutes. Anyway, that's the update. See ya.